Here it is friend, we have downloaded the Easy Wallet from the Play Store. Here we will know how to earn money from Easy Wallet. What is Easy Wallet? How to use Easy Wallet. So friend, let's open this app and see and know whether the Easy Wallet is legit or scam. How to withdraw the money earned from Easy Wallet. We'll also see the payment proof of Easy Wallet. So let's see friend. So first of all, open this app from here. I had already used this app, so let's use this app friend and know how to this app work. With this you will also know whether the Easy Wallet of friend is real or fake. So let's use the app well. Here one is coming friend. Here are coin. By redeeming this coin in your wallet, we will get $100. The open of withdrawing money is given. Here is withdraw PayPal, Paytm can withdraw in different wallet. It is given for rules and regulation. This is how to Easy Wallet. What is the work to be done in this? For the new user, click it in my app. If you play the app here, you will get there. If you use different app here, you will get the coin by clicking here in the play. We have seen in play. If you click it, it is being said downloaded the app to earn it in this app. Only the option of installing the app is showing friend. Easy Wallet is real or fake? Friends, then this app is real.